Hi, it's Michael Sands here. I'm just chilling, having a glass of wine, enjoying vacay. Got my vacay beard going, and here to talk about our new CD, Wild Deuce, Goodbye to Yesterday, and just trying to convince you to check this out. The Chicken Leg Blues. It's track 7 on our new CD. The Chicken Leg Blues is a song about eating chicken. Lots and lots of chicken. Chicken for breakfast, chicken for lunch, chicken for dinner, lots and lots of chicken. So when I first got to Nashville, this time, I was temporarily retired, let's just say. I was on unemployment. And when you're on a fixed income, you do what you have to do. And for us, that was eating a lot of chicken. And we still eat a lot of chicken. I just don't fry it anymore. The irony is we, moved out of Reno to get away from drugs and a destructive lifestyle, only to make it to Nashville and die from chicken poisoning. So the Chicken Leg Blues, for all intent and purpose, was the title track, really. Although the title track of the original CD that I released was Finger Lickin' and Betta. That's B-E-T-T-A, Betta, by B-U-Y, The Bucket. Finger Lickin' and Betta by The Bucket was the name of the original CD that I released. Much like my life was evolving, my ability as an audio engineer was evolving. We started out. I played the drums on the original recording and on my Roland TD9, and then we met Rob Jakes. And Rob played the TD9, and and then eventually we bought the Hillbilly Palace right here in Madison, and with all this creative space, we were able to record acoustic drums. I canceled Finger Lickin' and Better by the Bucket with CD Baby. Pulled every copy of it. If you have one, hang on to it. Who knows? Maybe someday that'll be a collector's item. The original copy had an audio clip of me dropping chicken into a pan of grease, which was pretty cool. I didn't include that on this version, but evolution. That's what it's about, and I hope you get a chance to go to iTunes, to CD Baby, Amazon MP3, and pick yourself up a copy of our CD, Wild Deuce, Goodbye to Yesterday. It's got Chicken Leg Blues on it and 13 other tracks. So coming up, the audio version. Hope you enjoy that, and check out the rest of the album. Thanks.
Ain't got no T-bone, ain't got no pork. It's been so long since I've had him up on my fork. Ain't got no brisket, ain't got no lamb. I'm tired of chicken fed in my frying pan. I got them chicken leg blues. Got them chicken leg blues. This great recession's a carnivor's depression. Got them low down chicken leg blues. $5.99, there's a dozen in a pack. All you got to eat them quick, 'cause you can't take them back. recessions, a carnivore's depression. Got them low down chicken leg blues. Thought I'd go cold turkey, 'cause I can't afford no meat. So I throwed away my chickens out in the dumpster by the street. 1 week of sweet potatoes, cornbread and collard greens. Oh, that little Betty rooster looking mighty good to me. I got them chicken leg blues. Got them chicken leg blues. This great recession's a carnivore's depression. Got them